Hello and welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Jerry Usher and I'm a graduate student of the mentoring program here at Grok. And let's go ahead and take a look at some stocks tonight. We're going to begin first though looking at the Spider's daily chart. And let me apologize for not getting to go on last night. I had some computer technicalities, and my software stopped working. I actually started missing data. 3 bars disappeared, and it was pretty weird. It never happened before. So by the time I got it working, it was a little too late to do a video. So I apologize for that. But tonight we're back up and running. So you can see here that we had a breakdown in the markets here. We broke out of that lower trend line, traded below it to 2 days, and today we had a gap down and really never returned. If you take a look at the volume, big volume today, big bearish volume. So it seems as though the markets have broken down. As a swing trader, it's probably best just to hang tight here, unless you already picked up some short trades. It's real iffy environment right now. So we're going to sit and watch and wait for the market to make up its mind and show us what it's going to do. Are we just going to, have a lower swing here and then continue to make new highs, or is this the possible start of the downtrend? We'll have to wait and see. Now, the 2 stocks that we are stocking this week our bull stock is PNRA bread, PNRA. Okay, so we're looking at a daily. Again, no recommendations to buy or sell either of these stocks, just for educational purposes only. You can see here that PNRA is a member of our V newsletter bull stock, and this is what it looked like 2 days ago. So we were possibly making a new high here, or consolidating. We had a upper trend line here and a horizontal here, so that was forming a triangle. We have an ascending triangle, so we were looking for a possible breakout. You can see now, if I fast forward, yesterday we had a bullish day here, but we were still in that base. No buy signals yet. And here we actually had a down day along with the markets. We're still within that trend line, as you can tell. So the trend line has not been violated yet. So as a bull trade, first of all, I need the markets to go bullish as well. Right now they are not, so I'm not interested in going bullish. But to go along here, I need the markets to turn bullish, and we would need a close above this upper resistance line. We've been basing here, so you want to put this trade on your watch list. Watch the markets first, and if they do turn bullish again in a few days, hopefully this guy will continue to base and break out. If it does break out above here, that would be a possible buy signal, and you'd want to then have an entry. But again, markets are not currently bullish, so as a swing trader, I would recommend just continuing to watch that one. Our bear stock of the week is SHLD. Now this is the same stock that we were tracking last week, and because at the very end of the week here we were watching it base. The markets were bullish last week, but SHLD continued to base here, and we were waiting for a breakdown, and we finally got that on Friday. So I decided to keep it in the list and continue to follow it this week. If I move forward, this is yesterday now. Yesterday we made a lower high, lower low. We had broken out. Now we already had the sell signal. The sell signal was on the breakdown here of the base. So if you were fortunate to get this trade, good for you. You're going to want to move your stop down daily now, the appropriate space. And you'll remember I said, first of all, personally I was not interested in shorting until we broke this baseline here. And then I was calling a target here at the $65 level. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but I was pretty pleased to see when I looked at it today that we were able to stop. We found support right there at that $65 mark, actually a little bit below that even. So it's just cool to see these lines work out. I'm amazed every time it happens. So that's pretty cool stuff. If you need to learn how to draw trend lines and things, I highly recommend getting into the mentor program, which is actually going to be happening really soon. So check that out on Grok Trade if you're interested. But yeah, we hit that target today, and it's just looking beautiful. Now, where is it going to go from here? If you did not short this trade, it is too late to get into it. Do not try to get into it now. You missed the train. What I'm looking for here is either to find some support here and base, form a low base here the next couple days, or maybe we're going to get a little bounce here. We may start getting up and making a lower swing high. So if we base or make a lower swing high, once that starts getting weak, that would be another selling opportunity. If we look at the weekly, you always want to make sure the weekly's in your favor, and it is. We're in that downtrend, and we actually broke the support line that we talked about all last week, so that's looking bearish. And if we take a look at the 60, you can see the 60s has been in a downtrend now. We broke that line on Friday and just have been dropping ever since. Notice today, though. Today we based, so we gapped down, we dropped a bit more, and then we hung out there at that support level the entire day. So again, that was a pretty decent call there of the target. I hope you all had a great trading day, and I'm looking forward to talking to you all tomorrow night. Take care, everybody.